Okay, and this is Finding Bertie Part 2. Here's Bertie. We're going to give some milk. Okay, let's, Sylvie, get a plate where we can put the milk in. He's very hungry because he's lost.
How long has he been lost for? Ages?
About since last week, so it hasn't been really having any food.
God. Where is it?
Bertie, do you want to have some milk? Bertie?
Where are the balls and stuff, Eve? Should I just get a saucer?
No, something that Bertie can drink from. Imagine if after all this time it wasn't even Bertie, that'd be weird. Okay, get that. Bertie, do you want some milk? Bertie?
Bertie?
Bertie? Come on. Yay.
Bertie? Bertie? Evie?
That's cute. What else would a cat want? That's so sweet.
I don't know.
Oh.
There's Bertie. I'm like so sorry for this guy. Like, oh my god. Oh. Poor little guy.
No, it's about...
We're on the phone to somebody about this kitten, Bertie. Our auntie, my sister's on the phone, Evie Sampson on YouTube.
Sorry.
Yeah, this is Buddyola talking. And OMG. Poor little Bertie.
Sylvie's making a video about it.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that was full.
Was it?
Yeah.
So trying to use that more, but how small you are.
Oh. Pardon?
You see this was full before?
Yeah.
OMG. This guy hasn't eaten for like a
So
week
we've got it on the American accent.
or something. Oh my god. Oh. Poor little guy. Oh. We do not want to let this cat out of the house. I don't know these people's number, but we need to get hold of them for poor little Bertie who's lost here. Okay, we are finding out their number. Yeah, we're finding out your owner's number, Bertie.
Sylvie, stop with the American accent. Yeah, we're working on blind. Oh, never mind. Sylvie. Oh, something.
Bertie.
Bertie. Okay, more milk, I think. Oh my god.
Oh my god, we need to get more milk, right?
Sylvie, stop with the American accent.
Oh my god, in the fridge.
Okay, should I just take
Yeah.
the fish?
Okay, more milk.
You have to zoom up on the milk.
Right.
Bertie, do you want more milk? Yeah. Move your head up when you get milk poured in you.
I have poured milk on Misty's head
Oh god.
before.
Don't milk! Goodness sake! Milk on you.
By accident, because you know Misty. I was like pouring the milk and then she just went in. I was like, you know when I said to Mum, my mum asked me, why is Misty's head sticky? Do you remember? And where? And I was like, I don't know. It's not my fault. Yeah. I accidentally poured milk on my cat's head. Oh god.
Sometimes
Bertie.
I get very disturbed by your laugh.
Oh, I'm just cutified. Squeak. Yeah, right. This is the moment to get biscuits, Evie, isn't it? This read for a moment. Let's get biscuits. We're not watching this poor little homeless guy. Oh!
Not homeless, it's just lost. You can't even see yourself.
They sure can.
No, I can't.
Biscuit.
Oh
Bertie. Bertie. Bertie.
You just called it
Bertie.
Bertie.
Bertie. And Bertie. Oh my
I'm
god.
going to pause the video.
Oh, I'm just getting tired.
Huh?
Do you know how upset I am for this little guy? Is gone. And now gone.
Oh, Doctor Who.
Okay, Doctor Who, right. Guys, I'm so sorry, this must be boring now. Gonna stop the video here. One last glance at Mr. Elf. Not Elfie! Not Elfie! Hello! He's coming in the front room, Eves.
Aw, that is cute. Oh my goodness.
Oh gosh. Can't even see him, it's too dark. Where's he gone? Oh. One sec, he's gonna come. Ta-da!
Hello.
Magic.
Oh god, his head's wet.
Wait, what's his name again? Even though I've said it like a million times. Oh yeah, Bertie. Yeah, it is Bertie.
Because I was kept calling it that.
Yeah, that would just spoil it, wouldn't it? It's so affectionate. I wondered why. Being homeless, that's why my cat is.
Yeah.
She had no home, no microchip, no nothing. No scratching! Oh, I bet it scratches because like it doesn't... God, it's on the sofa. Oh my gosh. So cute. It's like a mini of my cat. Where's?
His head is sticky, yuck.
Milk.
It's going to sit on the remote soon.